Jamaica had over 1.5 million visitors in the first quarter of 2026. It's argued that the tourism experience is never only airport and resort, as some end up in health facilities. That's why Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett says health standard should be up to par. Romardo Lyons reports.
Crowded hospitals, worker shortages, not enough beds for patients, issues that have captured headlines time and time again. They not only threaten the well-being of Jamaicans, but also an industry that directly employs 175,000 people and indirectly supports some 355,000 more.
Every time a visitor arrives in Jamaica healthy and leaves healthy, we have strengthened our brand. Every time a visitor encounters poor health standards, we have damaged our brand.
Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett was addressing dental practitioners and dental surgeons during a dental convention hosted by the Dental Association in Western Jamaica. He said apart from sand, sun, and sea, safety must be a priority.
Our destination assurance is not built on our marketing offices. It is built on our clinics, our hospitals, our health centers, and yes, in our dental practices.
The modern visitor, he added, expects stability and preparedness. Therefore, long lines and lengthy hours in accidents and emergency is a threat. But even before visiting a health facility, health is at play.
They expect high standards in food safety, water quality, and sanitation. They expect that if something goes wrong medically during their stay, they will be in capable hands. Tourist health resilience, therefore, a nation's capacity to anticipate, detect, and respond to high health risk while maintaining economic stability, has become one of the most important dimensions of destination competitiveness. In other words, health resilience is now a currency in tourism.
That's why attention is needed not just on those enjoying Jamaica, but also those offering that enjoyment.
It involves safeguarding tourism workers, supporting resort communities, and maintaining the kind of health infrastructure that gives workers and investors the confidence to choose Jamaica again and again and again. You are part of that infrastructure. Your clinics, your standards, your professionalism are all part of what makes Jamaica a safe and trustworthy destination.
Romardo Lyons, TVJ News.